Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a little extra help for your next project? This work platform from JUKJNB has got you covered. This is made from alloy steel and it is a super heavy duty work platform. It's awesome because it is adjustable, it is portable, and itself only weighs 14 pounds, but it actually can support up to 400 pounds, which is just amazing. This is basically a mini scaffolding that you can take around on a job site. You can take it to do some painting, cleaning, anything that you need to get a little bit of extra height and still be really stable and secure. This is gonna do the trick. So these legs are all independently adjustable. They go from 18 to 29 inches, and the platform itself is 39 inches long on the top, so it gives your feet a lot of room. So what we've been using this for is a truck restoration project. We've been in the engine bay. My husband has been working on the wiring harness. Because this truck is so tall, this has made that job so much easier, like a million times easier. It gives him the stability he needs, the extra height, but also all of this room that he can move around, he can step forward and back. So it just makes the job so much easier, so much more comfortable. I can definitely see us using this for many, many different projects in the future as well. But for this one in particular, it has been a total lifesaver and we're really happy with it. It is galvanized, so it is corrosion and rust resistant. And of course, it's just super heavy duty. So no matter what project you have coming up that you need a little bit of extra height, then I would definitely check out this adjustable work platform. We have been super happy with it and I think you will be too. That's my point of view.